Because I have a very hectic schedule, I'm always looking for meals that are delicious, low carb, and easy. And this meal in a bag gives me exactly that. Tonight, I am making chicken and vegetable stir fry. And all the ingredients are going to marinate in this bag. And then we are going to cook it on the stovetop. So in this bag, I have my vegetables of choice, which tonight I'm going to use some onions, some green peppers, and to it, I'm going to add some carrots and some minced garlic. Now for my chicken, which I have cleaned and cut into bite-sized pieces, I'm going to add my seasoning, which is salt, ginger, garlic powder, and some black pepper. Sprinkle that on. Give it a toss with my tongs. Then add some avocado oil. Mix that in. And into the bag, this goes. And for the sauce, I'm going to do a sweet savory. So in this bowl, I've got some soy sauce. To it, I'm going to add some sweetener and then a little bit of water. Mix this together until that sweetener dissolves. And into the bag, this goes. Seal it up. Give this a massage so that everything is well combined. And off to the fridge this goes for a minimum of an hour, but you can definitely do this overnight. All right, everyone, this has marinated for about an hour. I let it sit out for about 15 minutes, and we are going to go over to the stovetop and we are going to cook this. Okay, to our skillet, we are going to add some avocado oil. And we are going to pour in our stir fry. I'm going to let this continue to cook until this chicken is golden brown. All right, this is coming along quite well. Just go ahead and give this chicken a flip. You guys, this smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, and we're going to continue to let this cook. All right, everyone. This stir fry is done. It is time to serve. Delicious, quick, and low carb. Enjoy.